Hey guys, you want to learn street fight and defend yourself? Then this video is special for you. And don't miss any part of this video if you want to learn a street fight. Otherwise, you can't learn. So let's start the video. If someone grabs you from the behind, like this way, as you can see in the video, and your both hands free, then here you will use the best technique. Step number 1, bring your elbow with push like this way, as you can see, like this. Now grab his neck with your arm tightly like this. Now keep your leg back behind his knee like this and throw him back in this position. Guys, now I'll show you this thing from the other side so you can understand better. Yeah. Any grab? Yes. Step number 1. This. Step number 2. Lock his neck. Step number 3. Keep your leg back and down and kick. Guys, now I'll show you this in fast motion how it works or not. Yes, from the front side. Come on. We are very grateful to our subscriber who watch our video full and support our channel and like our video and comments. And if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share our video, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.